Good morning, children. Welcome back for your English class. Today we are going to start with a new poem from lesson number 2 in your English course book. I am a little tea pot. When you open page 18, you can see this sweet little poem. I am a little teapot, short and stout. Stout means slightly fat. This is my handle and this is my spout. When the water boils, hear me shout. Just pick me up and pour me out. So this little teapot is talking to you and he is talking about himself. He is describing that he is short and stout and there is a handle and a spout. What is inside the teapot? Water. So when the water is boiling, he is shouting. Hear me shout. And when the water for the tea is ready, you just pick up and pour it out. So children, this was a poem about a little teapot. You can read this poem again and we'll move on with the next page with some of the word meaning and exercise. So you can be ready with a pencil because we'll write it down the opposites and exercise. Word meaning. The first word meaning is stout. Stout means slightly fat. Spout. It says this is my handle and this is my handle and this is my spout. Spout means a tube-like part of a teapot from which the tea is poured out. Next word meaning is pour. Pour means to make a liquid flow out of a container. And number 4 is pick means to lift something. Now, as I said, with your pencil, get ready. Word building, you have to write the opposites of the words given below. Page 19. The first word is short. Opposite for short is long. Next word is stout. The opposite for stout is thin. Little, opposite for little is big. Now, next one is shout. Please put across, we don't want to use that, we will use pick. So please write the word pick and opposite will be drop. So make this change. Next, up. Opposite for up is down. Next one is out. Opposite will be in. Children, write neatly on the line with beautiful handwriting. After you finish this, turn your page. Let's see page 20. Reading comprehension. Complete the answers. Is the teapot big or little? The teapot is little. When you write is and little, leave some space and put a full stop. The teapot is little. Second one, name another part of the teapot. One is given for you. The handle. And the other part was the spout. Again, leave little space and write the spout. Number 3, what is in the teapot? Now for number 3, we'll have to write a complete sentence. So start with a capital letter and end with a full stop. There is water in the teapot. Children, leave some space between each word, and if it is not fitting, it's okay, you can write it below the line or it can go out of the line. Do not worry. So, the teapot is little, the handle and the spout for number 2, and for number 3, there is water in the teapot. Let's move on to the next one, number 4. When does the teapot shout? The teapot shouts when the water boils. When is already given, so don't write it again. Just write the water boils. The teapot shouts when the water boils. Put a full stop. For the fifth question, you don't have to do anything, so you can put a cross. Let's move on to number 6. Say if the statements are true or false. Write T or F capital against them. So there are 5 statements, and inside the box you have to write T if it is correct and false if it is incorrect. So for A, I am a big teapot. It's false because the teapot is little. So write capital F in the box. Second, that is B, I have a spout. True. Here is my handle and here is my spout. C, I never shout. False, because when the water boils, he says, hear me shout. So write F. D, I have tea inside. No, it's false. It has not got tea but water. So put F. E, I also have a handle. True. There is one part is handle and the other one is a spout. So with this, please finish this exercise in your textbook and read the poem again.